bitter nights, cold cutting through layers of thrifted wool and jeans not quite thick enough. Yet, somewhere in the resonance of a teething frost and frigid bones, the music continues. Its warm ambience parades through rooms of worn-out smiles and tired hands that never pay enough. Clinging to the wicks of barren candles and the patina of espresso-stained china, its orchestra sings in all we do. So continue to brand each day knowing that it is not the sons of stories nor the seas of strife, but it is you and me that are the sounds of life.